Yo, what's going on YouTube? My name is VivaJ14 and today I am doing an updated version of my HVAC tool bag. And same thing as last time. Less talking, let's get into the bag. There's nothing much that I changed outside except for we got a climb meter, a new one. And over here stayed the same. The same drill bit box from Milwaukee. Still the same. In this front pocket, there has been a lot of changes in this pocket. So yeah, there's a good amount of new tools in there. So yeah, let's get started. First of all, this tool is the 11-in-1, still working pretty well. And over here, I got myself the HVAC 8-in-1. I finally got my hands on one of them. And over here, I got a 4-in-1 thermostat screwdriver. Over here, I got myself a Klein Widowmaker. Still works. Yep. And over here, I got a magnet, an extendable magnet. Made from Craftsman. I still got my 6-inch extendable bit. And over here, I got my service wrench. And with the service key. And I think that's it. That's it for this side of the pocket. Now on to the big pocket. And inside this tool bag, there's a lot of new tools in here that has changed. And over here it has changed as well. So yeah, let's start over here. Still got my mirror. A marker. Torpedo level. And over here, the Milwaukee wire strippers. These are still good. And in this pocket over here, I got a 90-degree angle bit. And over here, I got my pliers, the Knipex. They are really good. Recommend them. And over here, in this pocket, is a new addition. I got myself some Milwaukee diagonal cutters or dikes. Over here, I got some needle nose. Down here, I have a little crescent wrench. And I still got my little box organizer still. And down here, I hope you guys could see it. I got myself a little stubby. Down here, I still got my Allen keys still. Or Allen wrenches. I don't know how they say this, but I still got them. Down here, I still got my UEI thermostat or whatever this thing is. I don't even know what it is, but it's a UEI. Checks the temperature of the air handler. Down here, I got my adjustable wrench, 10-inch. I got myself some snips as well. Down here, I got a measuring tape, 25 feet. Down here, I got myself a duck knife. And right down here, I restocked on zip ties. So yeah, I'm not going to run out of zip ties anytime soon. And for now, that's it on this side of the bag. And now we're going to move on to this side of the bag. And right down here, I kind of forgot that I had this. I have this long screwdriver, a beater. Yep. All right, now for this pocket. As you see right here, I've got myself a headlamp for addicts. I got some knee pads, some Milwaukee gloves, two different size pipe cutters, squeegee, and I have a lighter for the torch. Anyways, that's it for this tool bag. That's version 2 of this tool bag as an installer helper. Nothing really changed in my tool bag. Mostly it's just the Klein, the Milwaukee tool, and some Klein down there, and some knee pads and some gloves, and the headlamp over there. But yeah, mostly nothing really changed. All the tools stayed the same. There's some changes here and there, but yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna leave y'all to take a moment to look at my tools, see what tools you need, and yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna wrap up this video real quick. So thank you for watching today's video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss a new video. And until next time, adios.